Curious about making money even when you're asleep? We're here to explore the world of passive income ideas. Imagine generating cash flow without working actively all the time. But have you ever wondered which passive income idea could suit your lifestyle best and bring in consistent earnings? In this video, we're delving into passive income, exploring effective strategies to earn money without constant active work. Generating substantial income by dedicating less than 15 hours a week is within reach. We'll explore these ideas and offer tips on maximizing earnings. Join us as we explore these potential game changers in earning money. Number 1. Pawnshap. Pawnshap, which started in February 2021, is like a new tool that helps people make money in different ways using their smartphones. It's not just about working during the day. You can even earn while you sleep. The app offers 3 main ways to make money. First, by answering easy surveys that pay you for giving your honest opinions. You could make up to $70 a month by doing about 10 surveys a day. Second, you can sell your extra internet to people or businesses in need through the app, making about $96 every month. Third, you can invite friends and family to join the app, and when they sign up, both you and they get rewards. It's a win-win. What's really cool about this app is that it's not limited to specific places. People from all over the world can use it to earn some extra cash, anywhere from $5 to $140 every month, depending on how much time and effort they put in. It's like having a side hustle in your pocket, giving you the chance to make a bit more money whenever you want. Number 2. Live streaming sleep. Surprisingly, live streaming while sleeping has become a unique and profitable trend. On platforms like TikTok, people with lots of followers have made money by sharing their bedtime routines live. It's pretty amazing that viewers actually tune in to watch someone snooze. Even though how much money someone makes can vary, some folks have earned a lot, from $10 to even more than $4,000. The New York Times talked about these stories, showing how some people earned a good chunk of cash just by letting others watch them sleep. It might seem strange, but having interesting content can get more people interested, leading to live chats and even more earnings. It's kind of surprising but fascinating how something as ordinary as sleeping can turn into a way to make money online. Number 3. Blogging or niche sites. Starting a blog or niche site offers diverse avenues for earning passive income. Monetization methods include display ads, sponsored content, digital product sales, and affiliate commissions. The earnings generated via display ads, for instance, are passive and continue even while you're asleep. Launching a successful blog or niche site entails initial effort and consistency over the first 6 months. This involves choosing a profitable niche, purchasing domain and hosting, publishing valuable content, and generating revenue through ads and affiliate marketing. While the initial months might not yield substantial returns, consistent efforts can lead to passive income through organic traffic. Eventually, the blog might become profitable enough to require hiring freelance writers or virtual assistants to manage content creation, enabling earnings on autopilot, averaging from $100 to $100,000 or more per month. Number 4. Self-publishing ebooks. Self-publishing ebooks via platforms like Amazon Kindle offers a flexible and lucrative passive income stream. It eliminates the need for traditional publishers, allowing individuals to use various free tools online for self-publication within a few days. If you possess writing skills, a computer, and creativity, self-publishing becomes feasible. To maximize success on Amazon, a professionally designed book can rank well, competing favorably. Promoting the book on social media platforms amplifies its reach. With these efforts, earnings can range from an average of $300 to $1,000 per month. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing encompasses various methods besides website promotion to earn passive income. Utilizing email lists or significant social media followings enables monetization through engaging content and embedded affiliate links, earning a commission upon follower/subscriber purchase. Starting with a stable traffic source, a landing page, and value-driven content, affiliate revenue could range from $1,000 to $100,000 per month. With consistency, relevant content, and genuine engagement, this income stream becomes more passive over time. Number 6. Starting a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel has become a popular method to generate passive income. It involves producing videos on specific topics, building an audience, and monetizing through ads and sponsorships. While establishing a channel requires considerable effort upfront, the potential for earnings grows as the channel gains traction. Initial stages involve consistent video creation and audience building. Once the channel gains a certain number of subscribers and views, it becomes eligible for monetization. While the immediate returns might not be substantial, persistent efforts can lead to earnings ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 per month once the channel is established. Number 7. Selling photography/videos online. If you have a passion for photography or videography, several platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Istock allow you to monetize your work. You can sell your high-quality, unique images and video clips, earning passive income through viewership. To get started, investing in quality equipment to capture compelling shots is essential. Posting your work on these platforms enables you to set your price, and as people purchase or license your content, you earn passive income. The average monthly earnings from selling photography or video work online range between $200 and $400. Number 8. Becoming an Airbnb host. Renting out space on Airbnb is like unlocking a door to extra cash without doing much. If you've got spare rooms or an empty spot, sharing it with travelers through Airbnb can bring in money while you go about your day. You could pocket around $900 every month, depending on how big the space is and how often it gets booked. Sure, there's some work involved, like tidying up after guests leave and answering their questions, but it's worth it. However, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, you could rent the space just for storage. Less hassle, but still a way to earn some extra bucks. Hosting on Airbnb isn't just about making money. It's about turning an empty space into something valuable and seeing it help others while bringing in some cash for you. Number 9. Investing in stocks. Investing in the stock market offers a way to make money without working all the time. It's like planting seeds for cash to grow without you needing to be hands-on all the time. When you pick the right stocks and manage your investments wisely, you can earn money without having to be super active. It's not just about staring at screens all day. It's about making smart choices and letting your money work for you. You get paid through dividends and also when your stocks increase in value. While it needs some money up front, the earnings build up over time. How much you make depends on how much you invest and how the market moves. But it's a way to earn without hustling every single day. Investing in stocks isn't just about money. It's about planting seeds for a more stable and prosperous future. Number 10. Email marketing automation. Email marketing, powered by platforms like ConvertKit, HubSpot, Mailjet, or MailChimp, is like having a personal assistant working around the clock to help you make money without being glued to your screen. It's not just about sending emails. It's a way to reach out, engage, and convert potential customers without you having to do it all manually. With these tools, you set up a series of emails in advance and schedule them to be sent at specific times, automating the process. It's a bit like planting seeds that grow into sales while you're off doing other things. Once you've laid out these email sequences and built up your subscriber list, these emails keep doing their job, attracting and convincing people to buy without needing your constant attention. The amount you can earn, ranging from $500 to over $5,000 monthly, depends on how much your subscribers engage with your emails and how effectively your promotions resonate with them. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.